you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your audio back in sync with the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the Minecraft settings menu and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that all audio sliders are set to appropriate levels and the sound is enabled. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your audio hardware manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Adjust in-game video settings. Lower the video settings in Minecraft. Sometimes, high graphics settings can cause performance issues, leading to audio desync. Set graphics to fast and reduce render distance to see if it helps. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This can help improve performance and reduce audio lag. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in Minecraft. If problems continue, consider seeking help from Minecraft support forums or communities for further assistance.